What's going on, guys? It is Lord Gamers here, and today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing. Well, kind of. It's like an unpackaging. I bought this at Walmart. But, so yeah, let's get into it. So, you know how girls have littlest pet shops. I started collecting these. The Ugglys pet shop. It's pretty much the littlest pet shop, but it's a boy version. As you can see, I got 3 of them, so that's one. I'll let you guys have a little look at them. You can pause if you would like to. There's the second one. So, I'll actually unbox these and everything. So, here's the third package. There's that, and there's like a little list of what ones you can get. There's slimiest, smelliest, hairiest, grossest, stickiest, gross homes, and limited edition. So, the limited edition one I would like is the mugged pup. Looks pretty cool. Okay, so let's actually open these and see what we got going on. So, I look like I'm being really weak right now. These are actually hard to open. Oh no. I am ripping the plastic. Oh, it's supposed to do that. I think it's supposed to do that. Okay. Ooh, there's some surprise ones too. Okay. So, these out. We'll do these first. So they're very squishy. Like, look at this one. Doesn't want to focus. Sorry if I'm really shaky. I'm kind of hungry, and it's something I'm born with. I get shaky when I'm hungry, but that's one. I'll only unbox one of these. I'll do the rest like in another video because it's 9 o'clock at night right now. So here's the other one. This one is like sort of a, I forgot what they're called, but this dog in real life is kind of like a guard dog. Kind of looks like a little chihuahua. But yeah. Ooh, there's tiny ones in here too. They come in like these really cool / weird packages that you can't see through. So I think that's really cool. So. Okay, so we have 2 of those. Aw, this one's actually pretty cute. Here's this one. It has like a derpy face. Like, it doesn't want to focus, but it has a really derpy face. Let's open one of these. Ooh. We got Pugly. I got Pugly. Oh, it's sticky. Yeah. That's gross. It's actually sticky. Oh, look. Let's see if I can, like... It's actually sticky. Like... It's actually sticky. It's cool. It's actually really cool. Okay, so I'll put that cardboard. Okay, so this video's becoming a bit too long. We'll try and just get these out of the way. What the heck? Is this poop? What? Okay, so I've gotten a metallic poop apparently. Oh, whoops. Okay. I've gotten an ultra rare, and this. Apparently this is rare, and I got it on my first box. I don't know if you can see it. It actually looks really weird. Looks like custard. Alright, let's open this one. We're just gonna open 2 more, because that's the amount I have left. Dude, that's awesome. Ooh, what's this? That's disgusting. Do I even show this? This is gross. Look at that. There's flies all over it and everything. So we've gotten 2 poops. One extremely rare metallic one and one nasty, you can't see it, it's really dark on the camera, but, I mean really light on the camera. But, that is a turd. That is a disgusting turd. It's really light green though. Okay. Ooh. What could this be? Let's see. Okay. Not gonna look. Okay. So, as I open this, how have you guys done? Oh. What is this? What one is this? What? Dude, apparently this is rare. Will you find a surprise metallic poop inside? And look, the first little package I opened, I got it.
Ooh.
And look it.
So, ew, it feels gross.
Yeah. Feel this one. You thought. Look at the flick of their wrist. Woo. Okay. This is 10 minutes and this is super sticky, guys. Look, even I'm almost at it. Feel it. That's a sticky pet.
Ew.
Yeah.
That's so gross.
I've gotten 2 ultra rares. Why did they even package this? Why is this a thing? I mean, this one looks like brown custard. This just, no. There's even little flies and cracks on it, too.
Can you move this stuff so I can sit down?
Oh yeah, sorry. So, if you guys want me to do another box, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna do another video, and I'll post it if you guys want to see it. So, I'll see you guys in the next video.